Hi. Well, behind me is my bore shed and outdoor camp shower. I thought I'd show you around the project that I'm doing. At the moment I've just put down a slab and put up the basic frame for the shed. The shed's going to have two parts. I'll show you around that in a minute. Basically one part goes around the bore and that's going to be enclosed, and then another part which is separate from the bore house is going to be a little shower area. The bore is going to be powered by solar. It's a 240 volt submersible pump. It's going to be running off an inverter, so it's going to be connected to solar panel, charge controller, inverter and a battery to power up to 240 to run the bore pump. My plan is to make quite a few videos over the course of this build, and I'll try and go into as much depth, particularly with solar power, because YouTube for me has been really helpful when I've needed to find some things out. I've been watching some videos. There's a lot of helpful material out there, but I couldn't really find much to do with running a submersible bore pump on 240 from solar power through an inverter. But yeah, I've done all the calculations and worked out that it should be good. It should work out okay, and so I'll take you through all the aspects of that over the course of the build. And yeah, I'll show you around now anyway, what it looks like. Okay, so this is the bore pump shed that I'm halfway through constructing. I've finished all the framework, put the slab down, done the framework, and now I just have to sheet it. The shed itself is going to be in the front half here around this bore pump. The shed itself is going to be 1.8 meters by 1.5 meters deep, and it's going to be fully enclosed, and access to the shed will be through these two barn doors here. I've got them cable tied shut at the moment, so I can't really open them up to show you, but on the other on this side of the well house area is going to be a wall of these two posts. So everything to do with the bore pump shed will just be in the front side of this shed. Gonna have on this wall that's going in the center here, I plan on having a panel where all of the solar equipment, the charge controller, the inverter, the RCD breaker and all that sort of thing is going to be mounted onto this wall. Solar panel on the roof. It's going to go down into that equipment and then into a battery to charge it up, and power this bore pump. The bore pump is 40 meters deep and it's 240 volt bore pump, 990 watts power. So it's going to require a fair bit of power from a 12 volt battery, around 90 amps with losses included. So that sort of thing is all in that shed there. Through this door here is going to be obviously closed off from the shed. You come in here, it's going to be a outdoor or semi-outdoor shower area. We're going to run the bore pump through a gas hot water system, run it off a small gas bottle, and we're just going to have a valve on there, turn it on, hot water flows on demand. And so as I set all that sort of things up, I'll go through that in as much detail as I can. And yeah, so that's the basic outline of what's going to happen.